Good morning, my gentle people. How you doing? How you all doing? Happy New Year to you all. Oh my God, this morning I'm gonna look about a simple breakfast. I'm gonna look about a little cornmeal porridge and I steam some cabbage and I have it with bread. All right. So please stay with me and watch what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna get in my cinnamon leaf now. Let it go and boil. Get my stove on. I'm gonna prepare my seasoning for the cabbage. Cutting up my natural seasoning right here. This is all my natural season for the cabbage. I'm gonna get the cabbage cut up soon. So stay tuned and watch what's going on, alright? Thank you. I'm gonna get my cabbage cut up now. I have my cabbage finished cut up, so I'm gonna set it up now and get my seasoning up and everything okay. So just stay tuned and watch what's going on, alright, my people? I'm gonna get in my cornmeal now. You have to keep it stirred like we lump up, alright? I'm going to add all my spices to the porridge. This is this nutmeg, and I have cinnamon, I have rose water, I have almond water, I have vanilla. Alright? I'm getting in some nutmeg now. This is some Gloria milk. I'm adding to it. I'm adding a little salt to it. That's it. I'm going to add my sweetening milk to the porridge. Alright. People, I'm gonna deal with my cabbage now. Getting some olive oil in the pot to get my seasoning fried up. Gonna get in my powder seasoning. Gonna serve it now. Man, looking real good. Yes, my beautiful people, this is the end of it. This is the porridge. It look nice. And this is my cabbage and my bread for my breakfast. Simple and quick and fast. Nice breakfast, eh? Look at it. Wow. See there? Cabbage looks splendous, man. Splendous. And our porridge looking real nice. Okay?